was so awesome. Do we like it?
And I was so excited because, hey you, welcome back to my YouTube. Today we are talking about the December Boxycharm box. Should I keep the subscription? As you guys already know, in November I received my first Boxycharm subscription and I was so excited because that box was so awesome. The theme was Gold Digger and everything in the box had some type of gold. All of it was just very beautiful. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. This month I got my new box and I'm so excited to unbox it and see if I like and to see if this box is just as poppin' as last month's box. So this month's box is 'Tis the Season, and I'm just going to show you everything that came in the box. First up is this Tarte's glitter lip paint. It is a shimmering lip paint in the color Insta Famous. It's a very beautiful pink with glitter. It's a sheer lip gloss that's infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothe, and soften the lips. And this one retails at $20. I would try it on right now, but right now I'd have on my Fenty Glow and I'm just, this stuff feels so good on the lips. But I will try this Tarte lip paint soon. And I'm actually excited that I got it because this is my first Tarte product. I've heard so many good things about Tarte. Next up, we have a Bodyography lip liner. And this color is in Heather Berry. This is a very pretty color. It's a gorgeous nude, and nudes honestly are my favorite lip color. This vegan cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. And this retails at $12. Next we have the Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. This color is 147 Matte About It. It's a pretty container. Oh, and look at the powder puff. It's this gorgeous pink. It's so pretty. And it's just like a light color translucent setting powder. I really like the cute little packaging on it. This weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. The soft puff applicator delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. This specially formulated powder absorbs excess oils and reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. And this retails at $32. Next we have the Cosmetic, spelled D-I-X, Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Detoxify your pores from daily grime with Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask. Diatomaceous earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and kaolin, did I say that right? Clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So this is a detox activated charcoal mask, and these are full-size products. Most charcoal masks, I would expect them to be black, but this one is actually like a silver grayish color. I love a good mask. I like to pamper myself, so I'll definitely be using that. And last but not least, we have the Suva Beauty Protégé Palette. I really like the packaging on this. feels very heavy duty, kind of heavy for a small eyeshadow palette. So good packaging there. This says Suva Beauty's new Protege palette is a versatile, warm and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. And this retails for $34. I actually love the aesthetic color. You guys know I love cranberry. I draw to a cranberry burgundy in every palette. It also has this beautiful color Conscious and this beautiful color Balance. These 3 colors remind me a lot of 3 of the colors that were in the palette that Ace Beauty included in the Boxycharm box in November. And then you have like this transition shade here called Tact and Poetic, which is like this beautiful lavender color. And then you have Structure, which is a beautiful lavender shimmer. I will definitely be getting into that one. And then you have 2 highlighters, which you have a golden one, which is Era, and then you have Theory, which is of a purple shade, a purplish pink shade. So this is a really cute palette, and I can't wait to create some looks with this palette. So that is all that I got in my December Boxycharm box. I like the products that are in this box, I do. I actually do like the November box a little better than this one so far. I want to go ahead and try this Tarte. Let me see what it does here. I'm detecting a smell. Okay, so it does give the lips like a pretty pink shimmer. Very nice. Go ahead and drop in the comments which box you liked better. Did you like the November Boxycharm or do you like the December Boxycharm? Drop it below. Don't forget, the giveaway is still open. Yes, there's just a day left in the 2018 giveaway. I'll link it below. If you haven't entered, go ahead and do so. Please note and pay attention to the qualifications. I don't want to leave without doing my weekly shout out, and this week I want to shout out Chesley Eller. She says, I love that you put a Bible verse at first. Yes, Chesley, I love putting Bible verses, and I plan to continue to do this. If you like the Bible verses in the beginning of the videos, let me know and drop a comment below. Speaking of which, I also have weekly Bible studies. I have a playlist that you can catch up on if you would like, and I will link that below because this is also a lifestyle channel. I do beauty and lifestyle, and walking in the Word of the Father is definitely a lifestyle, and I look forward to seeing you in those studies. I want you guys to know that I have enjoyed you so much this week. I've really enjoyed reading your comments and responding. Please keep them coming and keep that good energy flowing. That is it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload the next video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.